Okay, so in this video I want to do a quick tutorial of how to add a blog post to the site. So we'll start from our dashboard. Up in the left, it's when you log in. This is what you'll see. But this time we're going to go to Post, and then we're going to hover over to Add New. So this will open up a very basic editor that allows us to create and update the blog. So first, just like sending an email, you're going to give your blog a title. So we're just going to say my new blog post for September. This is where I can enter in the information. Okay, so very basic stuff, you know, bold, italic, underline, very similar to Word. The only thing that you really, other little questions you may have here, besides playing around with it, is people ask, well, how do I add a photo to my blog? You're gonna, sorry, you're gonna click up here where it says Add Media, and that will bring up a link to the media library. If it is not a photo that is in the library already, you'll want to simply click Upload Files. Select the file. We will just find an image here that works well for that. Okay, so it will load, and what you'll do is you'll see your image will load here. I can align that image to be left, center, or to the right. In this case, I'll do it right, justified. This link to, what you want to always, for the most part, that's going to link to none. And then the size, in this case, the photo that I loaded is fairly large for a blog. So what I can do is I'll bring that down to a smaller size. Matter of fact, let's do a medium size of 300 by 300. And then down at the bottom, click Insert into Post. And what that will do is that will put the image now to the right, or if I align it to the left, it would be over on the other side. Right now, we do not have any categories associated with the blog, so we would want to create a category to put this in. So we're going to click Add New Category, and let's call this Newsletters. Go ahead and click Add New Category, and what that will do is that now we have a category that this blog post will basically be archived into. So we could have a category named bars, landscaping, columns, chimneys, outdoor kitchens, etc., etc. If you want to play around, there are also some other options up here that will allow you to put different thumbnails in. There's a slideshow if you wanted to create it. For the most part, I don't know that you're going to be using a lot of these, but you can play around and see if there's something that you might want to play around with. The rest of the bottom, the stuff down here is not to be changed very much. But at the very bottom of the page here, it says Allow Comments. I don't know what the decision has been made if you want to allow somebody to make a comment on the blog post. However, if you do not want them, simply uncheck it and then publish. So to view what you've done, you can either click this button that says View Post, and that will take you to the live site for that. There's our post. I have to arrow back, or I could also, at any time, I can click on this top left button that says Masonry Institute, and that will take me to the live site on the home page.